behind the dazzling lights of the stage and global spotlight as one of the biggest K-pop stars, Jeon Jungkook proves that humility is the true quality that etches his name, not just as an idol, but as a person who inspires millions around the world. As the youngest member of BTS, Jungkook is known for his many talents, earning him the nickname Golden Maknae. This title reflects the constant effort he puts into everything he does.
황금 막내라고 해주고 하지만 내가 느끼기에는 그게 아니라서 그런 식으로 보이려고 더 노력해야 되고 데뷔하고 난 뒤에 노력을 하고 있는 것 같아요.
Interestingly, it was Namjoon who first coined the term Golden Maknae for Jungkook.
랩도 하고 노래도 하고 춤도 춘다.
만능이다.
만능까지는 아니지.
황금 막내다.
그런가?
야 그래. 그러니까 황금 막내 내가 지어준 별명인데.
Jungkook has even shared stories about this himself.
아니요, 그렇게 생각은 하지 못했는데 남준 형이 그런 별명을 지어주고.
Despite his immense fame and talent, Jungkook remains incredibly humble and respectful to everyone. This attitude is clearly reflected in the way he appreciates his team, his fellow BTS members, and the fans who have supported him unconditionally. It's this very humility that makes Jungkook not only a global superstar, but also a genuine and grounded role model. This is especially true when it comes to the people closest to him. Despite being the youngest in BTS, Jungkook consistently shows respect in the most genuine ways. For instance, when he noticed Jimin looking confused or troubled, Jungkook was right there to help without hesitation. He's always quick to lend a hand, whether it's helping Park Jimin up the stairs, adjusting stage accessories, or even spotting him during gym workouts. There was even a moment when Jungkook, standing behind Jimin, helped him get up, something so small, yet so thoughtful. When Jin once asked Jungkook to tie his shoelaces because his fingers were in pain, Jungkook immediately helped, and Jin tapped him twice on the back to say thank you. Jungkook also didn't hesitate to climb up and cheer Taehyung on when he needed support. And let's not forget the way Jungkook cracks everyone's back by lifting them up like they're light as a pillow. He's seriously strong. Jungkook's humility and warm personality aren't just reserved for his fellow BTS members, they shine through in how he treats everyone around him. He's often seen hugging all the dancers, a simple gesture that speaks volumes about his kindness. This warmth was also mentioned by Kim Sung-ju, who once shared that during an event where he slipped and fell, Jungkook immediately helped him, yet still went on to deliver a flawless performance.
어떡해요?
제가 2층부 둠으로 떨어진 거예요. 제가 잠든 거예요.
어떡해.
이거 없었으면
Jungkook truly radiates sincerity and a good heart. His humility is reflected in the way he always bows and greets everyone with genuine respect. With his sweet smile, Jungkook never fails to say hello to everyone at the places he works, spreading warmth wherever he goes. Even on stage, he's always attentive to the dancers, shaking hands with each of them personally. Not only that, even when he's clearly sleepy and tired, Jungkook continues to greet people and send little heart signs, which once made his manager laugh at how adorable he was. Jungkook's friendly nature is also clearly seen in how he always bows, even a full 90 degrees, to everyone he meets. He's constantly sending love to those around him. Even when he's sitting down, he still bows to fans who greet him. And just look at how deeply he bowed before leaving the stage. It's truly touching. Even while walking alongside the other BTS members, Jungkook still does his signature 90-degree bow. Jungkook's deep bow has become a permanent part of who he is. It speaks volumes about his humility, gratitude, and deep respect for others. Often bows like a prince, graceful, sincere, and full of warmth. He is always so respectful. The way he treats everyone with kindness is especially visible after concerts when Jungkook hypes up the backup dancers, thanks them wholeheartedly, and shows his appreciation by clapping, bowing, and hugging each one of them. His respect is also shown when he bows to TV hosts, and you can see how adorably he smiles while bowing to the staff. Jungkook truly is one of the most humble and kind-hearted people. And let's not forget, during his award acceptance speech, right in the middle of all the excitement, he still took a moment to acknowledge and thank the hardworking staff behind the scenes.
항상 현장에서 나와서 같이 숨쉬고 같이 밥 먹고 같이 놀고 같이 없어요.
The way Jungkook treats everyone he works with is always humble and gracious. He genuinely cares about others and is always attentive to those around him. One touching example was when Jungkook noticed that some crew members didn't have any food, so he personally brought them a bag of food. He's such a sweetheart.
거긴 먹을 거 있어요? 저기는 먹을 게 있어요? 없어? 아, 너무 미안한데? Okay.
And that's not all. Jungkook once called all the staff and made sure they came to eat the food he had prepared himself.
주세요 좀. 지금 먹어야지. 정국이한테 혼나기 싫으니까 빨리 와서 먹는 게 나아요.
His kindness is like an angel. On a hot day, he even brought cold drinks for the staff to help them stay cool.
영어로는 ride라고 하는데.
야. 시원할 동안.
There was another moment when Jungkook noticed that one of the staff members was barefoot. Without hesitation, he went inside and got them a pair of slippers.
제게, 응? 세심한 배려 뭐야?
아, 뭔데 맨발로 쓰시길래?
제게!
Not only that, Jungkook was also seen warmly hugging the MV director after they wrapped up shooting, showing just how kind and affectionate he is toward everyone he works with.
Oh, okay. Look at this. I know.
The MV director even praised Jungkook for his professionalism and kind heart.
You're the best. So good.
Thank you.
So inspired. Thank you so much.
The legend.
And wait for that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Jungkook in turn shared that the director was really nice too.
재밌는 촬영이었고 감독님도 너무 좋으신 분이었고 기회가 되면 감독님이 한 번 더 멋진 뮤비를 찍어보고 싶네.
One of the sweetest moments was when Jungkook adorably wrapped up a backstage interview with a big smile, then shook the interviewer's hand and bowed politely.
Let's have a great time.
That's right!
His warmth also shines through in how close he is with the crew.
But my baby, I love you.
And just look at the way Jungkook waved to the staff before going on stage. He's seriously so cute. Jungkook's care and respect for others are always evident, especially in moments like when he tried to hold a reporter's hand to help prevent him from falling. He's always so aware of everyone around him. There was even a sweet moment when Jungkook blew a kiss in front of the camera, and the reporter had a sign showing that such a wholesome interaction. Jungkook's respectful behavior toward reporters has always stood out. He's often seen bowing his head politely and waving cutely to them, never missing a moment to show his gratitude. Even as he walks away, Jungkook continues to bow and wave until he's completely out of sight. He never fails to acknowledge those supporting him, always spreading light and kindness wherever he goes. It's no surprise that Jungkook has even been seen having sweet, friendly conversations with reporters.
배고파요? 어떡해. 빵 냄새 예술인 것 같아요, 이거 지금. 저 혹시 하트 한 번, 아까 전에 연서 같은.
In return, many reporters speak of him with the highest regard, often complimenting his respectful nature and sincere heart.
정국 씨 뒤에 한번 봐주세요. 감사합니다. 정국 씨, 머리 너무 어때요? 잘 다녀와. 손 한 번 흔들어 주시면 돼.
And one particularly heartwarming moment? Jungkook was the last one to leave the red carpet interview, only after bowing countless times to the reporters. On the other hand, Jungkook is often seen being quick to help the staff in various ways, like putting chairs away after events.
맞아. 맞네. 근데 이것보다 광택은 없어요.
He doesn't stop there. Jungkook also helps the staff clean the stage. There was even a moment when Jungkook tripped, but immediately jumped in to help fix the stage afterward. He's been spotted assisting the cameraman by stretching the camera cables too. Not only that, just look at how Jungkook left his phone behind to help the staff lift a table. Even after falling, he still pitched in to support the workers around him. Another sweet moment was when Jungkook noticed chips had fallen on the floor during a game. He took time during his break to clean everything up.
야, 뒤에 봐봐.
He doesn't hesitate to clean and wipe the slippery floor, making sure the area is safe for everyone. Not only is Jungkook known for his kindness and care toward everyone, but despite his many talents, he never becomes complacent.
아직까지 부족함을 많이 느끼고 있습니다. 그래서 더 열심히 하는 거고, 그 중에 뭐 장점이라면 아직까지 부족한데.
He has a strong desire to keep growing and improving. He is so humble and grateful, always looking for ways to improve himself.
You're just hard on yourself. I think I suck all the time. No, you're good.
Jungkook has shared that he will continue to grow and develop as a person.
계속 그냥
성장하고 하다 보면 또 실패도 한 번씩 겪어보고 그래도 강해지고 단단해지고 거기에 도달해 있을 수도 있는 거잖아요. 앞으로도 계속 가보려고 합니다.
His drive to move forward is strong, always learning from his mistakes along the way.
근데 거기에 머물러 있는 게 저는 되게 미련한 짓이라고 생각을 하거든요. 그래서 바짝 후회하고 바짝 인정하고 이게 삶의 모토입니다.
He also says his goal is to be his most genuine self.
그냥 앞으로 뭐를 했을 때 그냥 좀 나대로 그리고 내가 즐겁게 나답게 목표라고 볼 수 있을 것 같아요. 지금.
Jungkook constantly strives to give his best and create his own unique color.
저는 노래 전부 다 완벽하게 보여드리고 싶고 저만의 색깔을 만들고 싶어서 혼자 발성 연습도 많이 하고 보완하려고 하는데요.
And despite being endlessly praised by everyone, he openly admits that he is still learning and wants to grow even more.
또 아직까지 부족함을 많이 느끼고 있습니다. 그래서 더 열심히 하는 거고.
He has expressed his wish to explore various different styles and colors as an artist.
너무나도 다양한 색깔을 뽐낼 수 있는 그런 가수가 되고 싶어요. 뭐 장르, 뭐 스타일, 뭐 어떤 목소리든 진짜 다양하게 하고 싶어요.
Jungkook is truly determined to make himself grow into a better person. Sometimes he can be very hard on himself. But behind that, Jungkook has said there are many things he wants to do, though he sometimes struggles with perseverance.
사실 단점이 없는 막내라는 소문이 있는데
약간 하고 싶은 거 많은데 약간 끈기가 없다는 거.
With all his hard work in his career, it's no surprise that Jungkook is now adored by millions of fans. Yet behind his success, Jungkook remains humble. This humility extends especially to his fans. Jungkook has said he wants to treat his fans really well.
저희 팬이 되어주시면 되게 굉장히 잘하거든요. 저한테도 많은 사랑 부탁드립니다.
He wants to show his true self to them. He is always genuine, both on screen and on social media. His desire to connect and be close to his fans is truly sincere. Just look at the tattoo on Jungkook's hand. It's like a symbol of that connection. Jungkook has also expressed how much he prioritizes ARMY, the BTS fan base.
내가 가장 먼저 생각하는 거는 아미거든요. 가족도 아니고 BTS 멤버들도 아니고 아미인데.
And it's true, he once jumped into the crowd just to greet a fan in a wheelchair, despite the chaotic environment. Jungkook always takes care of his fans, asking them not to push and even offering water when needed. He's so precious. There was a moment when Jungkook gave a bottle of water to an ARMY who wasn't feeling well during his performance. Not only when he's on stage, but Jungkook's thoughtfulness is also evident at the airport where fans crowd around. He even wanted to help a girl who had fallen. Jungkook always asks fans not to push each other because he doesn't want anyone getting hurt due to the pushing and the overcrowded situation. He may be a world-famous superstar, but he remains incredibly grateful and humble toward every fan and everyone he meets. Jungkook smiled brightly and walked around the stage, making finger hearts for the fans. He always shows appreciation for his fans, never failing to give his signature 90-degree bow. Just look at how gracefully he bows, like a true prince. Jungkook stopped to give his 90-degree bow at ARMY's and everyone watched him off. Even when seated, Jungkook continues to bow to those around him. He's so humble and polite. In front of the many fans waiting for him, Jungkook keeps bowing and greeting them non-stop, before he leaves. Even when he's inside the car, he makes time to greet the fans by rolling down the window. Especially touching is how he acknowledges those who continue waiting for him in the rain. Not stopping here, Jungkook is also incredibly humble and sweet toward children. Just look at how adorable it is when random kids suddenly come up to him.
귀여워.
Jungkook's love and admiration for kids definitely catches attention. It's just so cute. How mature Jungkook is in his personality truly stands out.
가장 먼저 조언을 구하러 가는 사람, 조언을 일부러 구하러 가지 않는 것 같아요. 멤버도 마찬가지고 단순하게 살아가기 때문에 고민거리나 그런 게 제 안에서 해결이 잘 돼요.
Despite his massive popularity and devoted fan base, Jungkook remains incredibly humble. He didn't even hesitate to help clean the dishes after a Run BTS episode. He's always mindful, making sure things are tidy and showing good manners wherever he goes. Not only that, he's also been seen helping staff clean up trash. Even when he was on his way out, he noticed the staff still cleaning, so he stopped and went over to help them. He's genuinely kind-hearted. And it doesn't stop there. Jungkook even paused to watch a street performer, clapped for her, and left some money while most people just walked by. He's so humble that it's as if he forgets he's a celebrity. There was even a moment when a red carpet was laid out for him, but he kept walking alongside the staff until his bodyguard had to gently guide him toward it. What's even more interesting is that behind Jungkook's humility and the way he always appreciates everyone around him, his playful side often makes people around him burst into laughter. Just look at the moments where Jungkook had everyone laughing with his hilarious antics.
내가 위대한 카에 좀 맞추면 좋대. 하고 나오는 거야. 맞아. 너 다시 나와.
And how adorable was it when he was basically sleepwalking? He's just too cute. Not to mention the way he bowed and did a little spin, it was the cutest thing. Then there was the moment when he opened his jacket to show the outfit he was wearing in front of reporters. Jungkook truly never fails to make people laugh.
와, 그거 맞네.
오, 레전드. 와, 씨.
와, 씨.
뭐야?
이제 프레임.
Jungkook has always been humble. Fame hasn't changed him. He's still the same respectful, kind, and polite person. He never brags or acts like he's better than other artists. From the way he carefully places his bag on the floor to the way he bows constantly, his manners speak volumes. Even some of Jungkook's colleagues have spoken about this. Producer Surkut, for example, once shared how genuinely down-to-earth Jungkook is.
It was amazing. He's such a sweet guy, really humble and soft-spoken, but beneath the soft exterior, he's amazing. He's super talented and
Zane Lowe, creative director at Apple Music, also mentioned the deep sincerity and humility he saw in Jungkook. Also, every dancer who has worked with him has praised not only his talent and work ethic, but also his kindness and humility that's truly remarkable.
So talented, and he was really nice to us and really great to work with.
Oh, I miss him. We already knew that Jungkook was a high-level performer, and we were literally impressed.
He's really humble guy, and I know so many the big artists.
Humbleness, professional, and very talented.